Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 11. Let's go. In this video, we're going to reveal the names of the people who won our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we'll continue with the 11th episode of Amazon KDP niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche is the temperature tracker for employees book. So I chose this niche because considering that the pandemic is still going on, employees are being tested, their temperatures are being taken every day they come into work just to make sure that they are not infected or so. And employers will need books to record these temperatures. That's where we come in. We produce books like these employee trackers, temperature trackers for employees, and I'm going to show you how they look like. So the results are 115 on Amazon. And scrolling down, these are the books that I found that are produced by KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So these ones are very plain books. I think we can do better than this. It's just black on white books and it's already selling with reviews. So I think if we do the bare minimum with color, I think we can overtake these sales. So as usual, I found you an interior on Creative Fabrica. It's $2.99, temperature tracker for employees, and it's 120 pages. It's available in PDF, InDesign, PowerPoint, so you can edit it the way you want. So it's $2.99, and if you want to get access to all the graphics on Creative Fabrica, you can just get the $19 per month plan. At least that's what I do, and that's what I would recommend you do. So there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Moving on to the second niche is the isometric notebook. So I didn't even know what isometric is. Isometric notebook. Apparently something like this exists, and it's 473 results on Amazon. So scrolling down, I was trying to find out what it looks like. This is the books that have been created for it, and it already has results. Look at this, reviews and being sold. So there's definitely a market for this, and I found you an interior on Creative Fabrica. Here it is, isometric notebook, 8.5 by 11, ready to upload to KDP. It's priced at $8.20, and it has the dimensions 8.5 by 11 and 100 pages. So it's ready just for you to get to produce a cover. Does it even come with a cover? Let's check. Oh, it says this is only for the interior. So some of these books on Creative Fabrica come with covers. So you should just take a look at it. If it comes with a cover, then you can edit it, or you could create a cover on your own. That's up to you. But this one doesn't come with a cover. So moving on to the third niche is low vision notebook. Low vision notebook apparently is for those who don't see well. So I don't even know how it works, to be sincere, but apparently the market exists for it because as you can see, there are reviews and sales going on right here. Some are being sponsored, some are not being sponsored. Look at this. This one is being sponsored, this one's aren't, and they're ranking on number 1. So if you sponsor your book, if you sponsor a low vision notebook, you should be landing on this first page, and at a lower price like $5 or even $5.80 undercut this person, you should be getting some influx of sales because these other ones here are priced higher than $5. So if you price a book lower than that, you should definitely have some sales. So as usual, I find your interior on Creative Fabrica. It's priced at $1.20 and it's 8.5 by 11. Available as a PDF and editable PowerPoint template. It's ready to upload to Kindle Direct Publishing, and it has 100 pages. So This one too is just only for the interior, no cover included. Moving on to the foot niche is comic template. This one has a little bit more results, but the reason why I chose it is because although it really has a market, true, and there are many bestsellers, true, but I decided to include it because our own template is a little bit different. So I saw this on Creative Fabrica. I looked at it and it was a little bit different than the other ones we see on Amazon. Let's take a look at this. Look at these bestsellers right here. It's quite different. This was just a plain blank comic book, plain black comic book. So this caught my attention, this template or this cover right here. Look at this. And it's not only my attention it caught. Take a look at this. 25 people have added this to favorite. So it's not just me who likes this, who likes what I see. Definitely other people like what they're seeing. And obviously your customers will like it. If I like it and other people are liking it, definitely your customers will like it. So although the results on Amazon are 1000, I will still recommend that you try this niche because I think it's a great potential to make you money. So definitely start at 590 to undercut these. People are already selling at 599 with a bunch of reviews. I know it's gonna be difficult, but it's what they try because this interior looks really beautiful and there's a hot market for it right here. So moving on to the last niche of the day is blank coupon book. So the results on Amazon 8000. So I was asking myself, what would I use or what would someone use a blank coupon for? And apparently a market exists for this. So I was trying to find out what I'll be using it for, but nothing to come, nothing was coming to mind. But apparently other people are using this because they're even selling it as packs. This is 50 pack, 50, 50. This one is actually 100. So I went to Creative Fabrica to compare it with what we have, and apparently there's a huge demand for this. Look at this. 61 people have added this to favorite, ready to purchase, or if not, have already purchased. That shows you that there's really a demand for it that I'm not too sure about, but I'll need to research more about because it seems like many people want to have this, and I don't know why. Anyway, here is the interior we found on Creative Fabrica. So it has 120 pages, even more than these ones that I found on Amazon. This one is 100 pages, 50. This one is 50, 50. So I saw a potential for us to get into this market and tap it because our pages are more than these other ones. So here's Amazon's choice is a set of 50, but we have a set of 120 pages. So I was thinking that we can undercut or get a bunch of results with this niche because we're obviously at an advantage right here. We'll have 120 pages as opposed to Amazon's choice, which is just 50 cards. Congratulations to Dan Clark and Ben Alvarado for winning our last week's giveaway. If you'd like to enter our next week's giveaway, there's a link down in the description below. Click the link and enter the giveaway. So guys, that's what I have for you today. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.